1. The beginning in the darkness, where the circuits come alive. In the dark virtual space, the circuits slowly begin to light up, flickers of blue light and tiny electric particles sparkle softly as the world inside, the computer awakens. 2. The emergence of the circuit city. Now the circuits connect to one another like a living city, and an electronic metropolis emerges with neon blue lines and golden streams flowing through it. 3. The appearance of the CPU factory. At the center of it all stands a massive, futuristic structure, the CPU factory rising with a grand silhouette. 4. The worker cats make their entrance. The factory doors slide open, and a worker cat wearing a little hat steps into view. It is the moment when today's CPU work begins. 5. Clocking in for work. The cat taps its card on the time clock, getting ready to play its small role inside the vast system called the CPU. 6. Transporting the data boxes. Data boxes arrive on the conveyor belt, and the cats work together as a team, swiftly moving each box into place. 7. Checking the data content. When a cat opens a box, the glowing data inside is revealed. 8. Sorting the data. On the work table, the cats swiftly sort the data cards, organizing each task with precision. 9. Entrance to the .lu chamber. This is the ALU computation chamber. The neon sign above the door glows brightly, preparing for the calculations to begin. 10. Calculations. Inside the ALU. Inside the ALU, number blocks float through the air, and the cats swiftly handle addition and subtraction tasks. 11. Transporting the number blocks. Another cat runs by carrying number blocks, getting ready for the next calculation. 12. Entrance to the CU chamber. This time, it's the CU control room. Several control panels beside the door glow with shimmering lights. 13. The CU cat, directing the operations. The CU cat holds a baton, organizing the order of tasks and giving instructions to the other cats. 14. Checking the instructions. A holographic command list appears on the screen, and the cat checks each item one by one, keeping the CPU's workflow stable and steady. 15. Data integration. As multiple conveyor lines merge into one, the processed data blends together smoothly. 16. Delivering the result data. The cats carry the brightly glowing result data and run quickly toward the next section. 17. The cache room. This is the cache's storage room. Small, warm-looking drawer-style compartments are lined up in neat rows, storing data in the cache. Frequently used data boxes glow with a golden light and automatically slide into the cache. 19. Retrieving directly from the cache. When the moment comes, the cat instantly retrieves a glowing box from the cache. This is why the CPU can operate so quickly. 20. Parallel processing. In the factory, multiple cats work side by side, each handling their own tasks. This is what we call the CPU's parallel processing. 21. The multi-core rooms. From Core 1 to Core 4, each room has a cat working independently, handling its own tasks on its own. 22. The data highway bus. Data flows along the electronic road, the bus, moving like streams of neon light. 23. Data cars. Small neon car-shaped data packets race along the bus like tiny racers. 24. CPU warning. Suddenly, if the computer comes to a halt, red warning lights flash throughout the entire factory. 25. Chaos. The cats panic and scatter in confusion, and the data becomes tangled, creating complete chaos. 26. Restart. But soon, the system powers back on, and the cats energetically resume their work. 27. Factory normalization. The entire factory lights up once again, and a warm glow spreads from the center. 28. Cats smile. One of the cats holds a box of result data and smiles warmly. 29. Clocking out. When the day comes to an end, if the cats wave their paws at the factory's evening lit exit as they clock out. 30. The CPU's the heart of the computer. A close-up of the CPU chip appears, glowing with futuristic golden energy. The CPU is the brain and the heart of the computer. In this unseen place, countless operations unfold, and because of them, we are able to use our computers every single day.